Welcome. In this video, we're going to go through BOMs or bill of materials, bills, whatever you call them. It's the list of items you're going to use in a job to produce something. So we're going to walk through that, set up the first ones. Pretty simple bill of material. Nice thing in marginSHARK is you can buy or build any item. You can have multiple vendors. You can have multiple bill of materials depending on how you actually produce something. So it could be like a phantom bill where everything's on the job and it's like a kit, or you might be building from sub-assemblies or stuff that's stored in inventory. You can have multiple methods of constructing items in your jobs, and marginSHARK handles that, which a lot of systems don't. So let's walk through a real simple one. Let's go to our item list from the dashboard. And you can see here we've got our wheel that we created in the previous video, and I went ahead and added some of the parts that we're going to want as part of this job to build this wheel. So let's go to our wheel. And again, you can see we set up our vendor, but this panel here is where we're going to keep track of our bill of materials or BOMs. We don't have any, so let's hit add. You're just going to put a quick description how you build this item. So this one won't be a super complex bill of material. Everything's going to be pulled from inventory, and I won't put a revision. So now it brings you to the bill of material page for this item. And right off the bat, you can see here we've got our description. We're using it from inventory. We've got a nice little feature here in terms of looking up and adding items that you can just type in a number, pick what you want, or put in a description, and you'll see that as well, your options. We're going to be adding items, but you can see our cost, both parts and labor. You see our plan cost right now is $8.45. And just like we can do from when we purchase something, you can go to your bill of material at any time and hit your update plan cost, and it's going to change your accounting standard, your plan cost, to this new value. So let's go ahead and add some items. We're starting with our wheel, which is our assembly, and we're going to add a hub, an 18-spoke hub. Now this next page is just confirming the quantities. We have our parent item, our child item, and how many do we want to add. In this case with a hub, we're just going to have the one. And now we've got, it shows you the level, the cost per, using the standard cost, how many, and then if there's labor or whatnot. You can come in here and just click change the quantity or remove this item from the bill of material. So let's go ahead and add a tire. And we'll make one. We'll put a spoke. And we need 18 of those. And so you can see now we're starting to add up our costs. And a tube. Again, you could search it by part number if you want. One tube. And let's put on some labor. Just general assembly that we created in the previous video. Hit submit, and you can see here our unit of measure is hours, so we're going to make this 0.1 hours. And now we have a pretty good idea. So everything we want on this bill of material has been added. They're all at the same level. We can do multi-level BOMs, and we'll do that in a later video. Not hard to do. But our BOM cost is $14.75, $13.25 is parts, $1.50 is labor, and our current plan cost is $8.45. The nice thing here is every time you pull this up and you change your plan cost, so let's say somebody bought a tire this week and the plan cost changed, it's going to roll right away into our bill of material and really keep accurate costs. We want to know all the time. Every time we make a purchase, if we're driving our costs down, we're going to be making more money, being more competitive. So in this case, it's gone the wrong way, but maybe we just captured costs that weren't aware of. So update plan cost. And now you can see we just updated our plan cost today. Kept track of it. We added our BOM. We're looking at the history panel here. It was $8.45. Now it's $14.75. We've got our BOM created. Anytime we can delete the BOM from the item, or come back in here and edit it. And just, again, change numbers, add parts, delete items. So that's the most simple BOM. We'll do some more complex here in another video, but hopefully you'll see, it gives you an idea of the power of marginSHARK, that again, we can purchase, we can build from multiple bill of materials in the way that we want to produce this item. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to create an account for your business, just go to marginSHARK.com. Thank you.